viewers, it's Elena. Today we're skipping the intro and getting right into the tutorial. This is the pattern I drafted for the beret. You can choose to use my measurements, but everybody is different, so I suggest you slowly adjust the inner circle measurement based on your own head size. For the inner circle, my radius measurement was about 3.5 inches. For the outer circle, the radius I used was about 6 inches. Pin your pattern onto your main fabric. With your pattern, cut two pieces. One piece that's a circle, and another that looks like a donut. Do the same with your lining fabric. Since I was making my beret from an old coat, I cut through 2 layers of fabric at once, so I didn't have to cut my lining fabric separately. Here are the pieces of fabric you should have. Pin the donut shape to the circle piece with the pretty sides of the fabric touching. A general rule for sewing is that when you're attaching pieces together, you usually always want the pretty sides touching. Do the same for your lining fabric, and also sew on the outside edges where I'm pointing. And here's what you should have when you're done sewing. Next, you want to pretty much just shove the main fabric piece inside the lining piece. Again, you always want the pretty sides touching. Line up the edges and pin almost all the way around. You want to leave a gap so you could turn the whole thing inside out at the end. Turn the beret inside out from the gap. After that, just tuck the raw edges into the beret, pin the gap closed, and sew around. You could just sew only the gap closed, but I'm choosing to top stitch and sew all the way around the beret edge to make sure that the lining piece won't peek out from behind when I wear the beret. And here's the finished product! Yay! I really like this project because berets are super quick and easy, so it's a perfect start for beginners. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!